Welcome to a new generation. In this era of artificial intelligence, anyone can create their own original music in just 3 mouse clicks. Even without any knowledge about music. 3 free AI music generator, create your own music videos. If you search for relaxing music on YouTube, you will see that the average video views for this kind of content are truly amazing. And in this video, I will show you how to create your own music videos for free using AI tools. In total, we will review 3 free AI music generator tools. So, let's get started. Part 1, Free AI Music Generator. The first AI music generator tool is Traxi AI. In their terms of use, they explain that you can use their AI-generated music for free, even for monetization through YouTube. Please read carefully to understand how to use the music on another platform. To start using this AI tool, you will need to create a Traxi AI account. Part 2, Creating Music Video Using Canva. To create this kind of content, you don't need complex video editing using a video editor. Canva is enough to do this task. Now, go to the Canva dashboard and click the video button. Then, go to the element menu and type in the video style you want in the search bar. Part 3, Free AI Music Generator Alternative 1. If you are looking for an AI music generator that allows users to enter their prompt, you can use this free AI music generator. Go to Waveformer website, type your prompt, enter your video length, and click the Make Music button to start generating your AI music. Part 4, Free AI Music Generator Alternative 2. The last tool is designed to create short-form AI music. Now, we will try Beethoven AI to generate long-form AI music. If you are using the free plan, the maximum music length is 5 minutes. If you are using the premium plan, you can generate up to 15 minutes of music. To start using this AI tool, click the Sign Up button. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Bye bye.